My Patreon portfolio made 100% in gains in 2023. In today's video, I'm giving you a sneak peek into my exclusive Patreon portfolio. I will show you all of my positions that contributed to this massive gain. I'm Brian, the Finance Ninja. Let's go! The Patreon portfolio started the year at $17,800, $19,000 in gains, $11,000 in deposits, ending the year at nearly $48,000. I was hoping to close out the year with above 100% gains. Literally, the very last day of trading sunk me below 100%. Oh well, maybe someday next year. I absolutely crushed the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ this year. Oh, by the way, that's my cat. Isn't she cute? I have sorted the list in descending order. 22 is frankly a terrible year for the stock market. Inflation was rampaging, interest rates are skyrocketing, recession was looming, especially hit with growth and technology stocks since they are way more fragile to interest rate hikes and they tend to leverage more to scale faster. However, what was a sell-off turned into the biggest buying opportunity since 2020. I started putting money into this new portfolio, now rebranded the Patreon portfolio, at the end of 2022. In the year 2023, the stock market experienced a remarkable surge, with the S&P 500 posting a total return of over 24%, and the NASDAQ composite rising a staggering 43%. Those are going to be difficult numbers to beat. While I have many private investment accounts, including a big dog account, I've chosen this one to be my Patreon exclusive account. It is relatively early account, and we can all watch it grow, hopefully, over time. It is to help everyone learn from my successes as well as my mistakes. It will offer insights into my investment style. I will keep Patreon up to date as I make each transaction. This account is completely transparent to all my Patreon members. I will post all updates for my Patreon members so you all can track my progress in real time. If I make a buy, sell, transfer, whatever, it will be posted on Patreon when it happens. On Patreon, I'll make an update post each month and a yearly summary. But this year's summary was actually just posted yesterday. Know that I am a long-term investor. You will see periods where I don't do anything at all. You also see periods where I am actively and frequently buying. With that said, let's go over my positions. First up is Palantir, my smallest position. Palantir, a software data analytics company, has seen its stock soar in 2023. This company's stock performance can be attributed to its focus on providing cutting-edge data analysis solutions for government and private organizations. Palantir's strong financial performance and growing customer base have positioned it as a leader in the data analytics industry. Now, I was a little late on Palantir. I bought this position in August. This is a long-term holding. Palantir should have a very bright future, though, as data analysis is just getting started. Palantir's investment report and DCF valuation model will be coming soon. Hit the notification bell so you know when it drops. Next up, Square. I know what you're thinking. That stock that went from $250 to $40? Yes, that stock. Square, a financial service digital payments company, has had a stellar year in 2023. The company's stock has benefited from the rapid growth in e-commerce and the increasing adoption of digital payment solutions. Square's innovative products and services, such as its Cash App and the Square Terminal, have allowed it to capitalize on the growing demand for secure and convenient payment options. Square is currently in a restructuring mode, as well as they are vertically integrating, and that will bring significant profits. Now, I bought some Square in August. I was given an offer I couldn't refuse. No doubt to the Godfather. Nice gains so far. I am not adding at these prices, however, due to the recent run-up. I'm I'm going to wait till like a pullback, then I'll probably buy more. My Square DCF valuation model is on my Patreon. Next up is Microsoft, the tech titan. Microsoft has continued to impress in 2023, with its diverse portfolio of products and services. The company's stock has been bolstered by the strong performance of its cloud computing platform, Azure, as well as the continued success of its Office 365 suite and gaming division, Xbox. Of note in gaming is the recent gigantic acquisition of Activision Blizzard. Microsoft's focus on AI, its partnership with OpenAI, ChatGPT, and strategic acquisitions have also contributed to its impressive stock market gains. I mean, just look at these gains. They're huge for a company this size. Now, I bought Microsoft in February at around $250 a share. The decline, I feel, just wasn't warranted. Microsoft is riding the AI wave. Why was it down? I still don't know, but I rode it to a 28% gain so far. Microsoft just quietly executes and keeps outperforming. Next up is NVIDIA. Semiconductor giant NVIDIA has experienced substantial growth in 2023. The company's stock price has been driven by the increasing demand for its GPUs in the gaming and artificial intelligence industries, namely AI and the H100. NVIDIA's innovative technologies are used in gaming, data centers, autonomous vehicles, and artificial intelligence. NVIDIA is a tech powerhouse with a strong track record of innovation and growth. NVIDIA's AI-focused initiatives are another significant factor in their investment potential. AI is transforming various industries, and data centers are at the heart of it all. NVIDIA's data center solutions are powering AI and deep learning applications across the globe. With the increasing demand for AI capabilities, AI's data center segment is poised for substantial growth. The H100, NVIDIA's AI beast of a chip, sold for a whopping $40,000 a pop not that long ago. $40,000 per chip in very short supply. It is single-handedly driving NVIDIA's growth, and that growth is massive. It's insane. The H100 is branching into multiple different products. You got the H200, GH200, and so on. NVIDIA actually just placed a gigantic memory order for memory chips for these chips. Chips on tops of chips on tops of chips. NVIDIA will target both training and inference. That is a key differentiator between NVIDIA and AMD. NVIDIA is conquering both training and inference. AMD is concentrating on inference at the moment. Not to mention that NVIDIA has 95% market share in AI. Just saying. Lisa Su, AMD CEO, predicts that AI CAGR will grow 70% from 2023 to 2027. The H100 is a money printing machine. NVIDIA's commitment to research and development has positioned it as a key player in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. Now, honestly, I hate to say it, but NVIDIA was actually my biggest mistake this year. Why? Because I bought it in November. November! I missed the boat on NVIDIA. I took a nibble in November. If NVIDIA pulls back, I will buy more, but oh my god, the money I missed. The opportunity I missed. I'm still upset about it. Now, NVIDIA has a very bright future with their AI dominance. Moving on is AMD. And actually, this is the company I chose instead of NVIDIA. AMD, a leading semiconductor company, has made significant strides in 2023. This company's stock surged as it continued to challenge industry leader Intel with its cutting-edge processors. Now, AMD's focus on innovation and strategic partnerships has allowed it to capitalize on the growing demand for high-performance computing solutions. AMD's gain this year has been due to AI. A big bet on the MI300 is bringing dividends. Now, I started buying AMD in late 2022, early 2023, after a downturn in the stock I just, again, couldn't justify. With the rise of ChatGPT and artificial intelligence, and AMD coming out with the MI300X at the end of 2023, it actually just launched a couple of weeks ago, it seemed like a sure bet. And boy, did it pay off with a massive 130% gain. Granted, NVIDIA would have been higher, but I'm not going to go to bed crying tonight. Before I get to my number one pick, Shamo says to like and subscribe. What is the last and biggest holding I have in my Patreon portfolio? Let's see. Last up is Tesla. Oh, by the way, my Patreon special is only $1 locked in for life. You will get access to all of my investment reports and spreadsheets. I've got Tesla, I've got NVIDIA, I've got AMD, I've got Microsoft, and many others. You'll also get exclusive access to this Patreon portfolio. Every transaction I make will be posted on Patreon as it happens. You can follow every move I make in this account. Watch in real time as I grow this into a multi-million-dollar portfolio. You'll never find a better deal. It has only a few seats left for the $1 special. Get in before it's too late. The link is in the description. By the way, what I'm giving you in this video is only a high-level overview. I have a 12-page write-up on my 2023 moves and how I achieved a 100% gain on Patreon. Now, back to Tesla. The electric vehicle and clean energy company, led by Elon Musk, has continued its upward trajectory in 2023. You know, one day I'll actually be able to pronounce that word. Trajectory. Yes, I got it that time. Tesla stock soared due to the company's strong financial performance, increasing demand for electric vehicles, and the expansion of its product line with the launch of the highly anticipated Cybertruck. I think Tesla's stock will double in 2024 for these reasons. The thing that drives short-term stock movements is hype. What more hype would there be than to learn that the $25,000 vehicle is imminent? Oh, by the way, Shama's still there. Need I remind you that the average car costs around $48,000 today? A $25,000 electric vehicle would be just the thing to make every consumer realize EVs are it, EVs are the future. This compact vehicle will be made in every major Tesla market, from Austin to Mexico to Shanghai to Berlin. This will be the highest selling vehicle ever built. Second is the IRA tax credit being point of sale. This is a change for 2024. This will lower the sticker price, which is key for consumers. Third is FSD developments. If FSD beta version 12 turns out great, look out. Fourth is the Mexico Gigafactory. Fifth is the energy business. 2024 should also see improving margins. A few rate cuts are expected, which should fuel demand. The Cybertruck finally being on the road after 4 years will drive consumer interest as well. Just people seeing this on the road, they're going to go, what is that? And it's going to drive attention, and it's going to drive YouTube videos and everything. Now, while the allure of quick gains can be tempting, I adhere to a long-term investment strategy. I am a buy and hold investor. Patiently holding on to investments through market fluctuations, I recognize the importance of time in maximizing returns. This disciplined approach enabled me to capitalize on the compounding effect and benefit from the overall upward trajectory of the market. My goal is to significantly beat the S&P 500 over the long term. If I do that, I consider it to be a success. While short-term successes can be fun, the long term is where the real money is made. Now, my biggest single mistake this year was missing the NVIDIA train after it spiked. I'll work on becoming more astute in obvious moves in the future. Now, the portfolio is heavy Tesla because it was at a price earlier this year that I couldn't avoid. I think it worked out so far. I don't usually focus so much of our portfolio on just one position. Next year, we'll be focused on diversifying the portfolio. I'm all tech and I'm all growth right now. Now, I think Tesla has the potential to double next year, but I don't want all my eggs in one basket. So while I won't be selling Tesla, I won't be buying any Tesla either, probably. One thing I do intend to do is to invest into a value stock. All my positions are currently in the growth/tech, so I'm too heavily focused in one sector. Oh, by the way, Happy New Year! I hope you have a fantastic and profitable 2024. Merry Christmas, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.